Hey guys, welcome to my channel Love to Learn. In this video, I want to explain about checkout command in Git. Without making delay, let's start exploring about its features. Initially, I will explain how to switch between multiple branches using this git checkout command. The syntax is git space checkout space the branch name which you want to switch. Let's understand on which branch we are. We are on branch master. Now I want to check out to develop. So I can say git checkout and develop. Now here we have a clear message, right? Switch it to branch develop. So we are done with the first feature. Let's start with the second one. I want to check out a branch which is not existing. It means I want to create a branch and I want to switch to it. What I can do, I can say git checkout -b and let's assume the branch name is Love to Learn. Okay, yep. If you see, we are able to create a branch and switch to it at one shot. Now let's start exploring the third feature, restoring the files from different branches or commits. Now I'm on branch Love to Learn. I want to restore file from branch master. I want to say git checkout, branch name is master and the file name sample.txt. Before switching or restoring, let's check what's the text in the file. It's hello world. Now let me check out. Now let me recheck the text again. Here we got some additional text. From where we got it? From the branch master. Now I hope you guys got some idea about this feature too. Now let me reset the changes here. And the fourth feature is git checkout to the specific commits. Here the syntax is like git checkout and to the specific commit id. I can say it's a time machine command also, and it's one of my favorite command because we can go back to the history changes. Let me explain you by an example. Now first of all, let me check if there are any changes in my local. Yep, there are no changes, right? Now yeah, here I have hello world. Now I'm just typing something like this and I want to commit it. Okay, and let me give some dummy commit message. Yep, now let's check the status. I don't have anything in staging area, and let me check. Here I have some random text, but due to some reasons I want my older text back. From where I can get it? I can simply say git log -2 to get the commit IDs, and let me go back to this commit by saying git checkout the commit id. And if you observe, I have my old changes back. You can say I can get it from GitHub also, but here it's just case of one file. What if it is 10 to 20 files? You cannot go there and copy that and paste it here, right? It will take so much time. So whenever we need our old changes which are like heavy, like 10 files or 20 files, which contains so many changes, I can simply say check out to the specific commit id. So I'll get my old changes back. I hope you guys got it. And we are done with this tutorial. Thank you for watching my video.